Jim Kraft with SQID Lite. Last time we showed you the greatest patch panel in the world and why it's the greatest patch panel in the world. Because it can light up the patch panel port, it can tell you what closet you're in, it can tell you what cabinet you're in, and it can even show you what switch port you're in. A lot of people ask, how are you lighting those lights? And the answer is, we're not using the network cable, Cat 6, 6A, 5, or whatever it might be. We're using a 22-2 cable to do that. A lot of people thought, oh, another cable, it's going to take up room, it's going to cost too much. Well, we decided to show you here as a head-to-head comparison between the traditional way of labeling cables in a cable rough-in and the SQID way of labeling cables in the rough-in. Let's get started. The best way to show just how effective and easy the SQID2 is in labeling in the rough-in is to have a competition. Competition is going to pit a standard way of marking cables in the installation. Here we're going to have Pierce, a technician with 2 tin cans and a string, where he's going to take 2 boxes of wire, mark each cable, mark each box, pull it, mark each cable again. And then on this side, we're going to take the SQID installation. We're going to use Will here, who's never did an installation and owns, what do you own?
WP Reset.
He's next door, he's in the business next to us. He's going to take 6 boxes of wire, 2 Cat 6s, 2 22-2s, and he's going to identify those. What we're going to find out is which one's faster and easier. Hey, it looks like the results just came in for the rough-in cable labeling competition. And looks like Will, who never installed cable before and had to use 6 boxes of cable, annihilated Pierce from 2 tin cans and a string, who only had 2 boxes to label, which shows that the SQID method of labeling rough-in cables is faster and you have less mistakes because you have less repetitive tasks than the traditional way of labeling rough-in cables. Hey, we hope you enjoyed our videos as much as we enjoyed making them. Make sure you share, like, and most of all subscribe so that you're kept up to date on the latest improvements and changes and explanations of the SQID2 product. Thank you.